Hello, young scientists. In today's episode, we'll take a journey through the fascinating world of classification.
Yes, that's right. All living things on Earth are classified by scientists using a classification system.
Me, Tedra,
Me, Alicia.
will try our best to help you understand and be able to explain the classification system. But first, we need to be able to define our learning objectives. Students will know what the classification system is and how it is categorized by everyday things.
Students will understand what factors influence how each level is classified.
And students will be able to answer questions regarding the classification system and what it is made of. Picture it like a giant filling system for nature. So let's break it down for you in simple terms.
At the very top of this system is the kingdom. There are 5 of them, like big folders in our living library.
First up, we have the animal kingdom. It's like a bustling city of creatures from tiny insects to big mammals like lions and elephants.
And then we have the plant kingdom, where you'll find all kind of green friends like flowers, trees, and bushes.
Now let's talk about how we organize things within each kingdom. We play a game of matching traits like Guess Who for living things.
These traits can be anything from how many legs they have to what they eat or how they breathe. The more traits in common, the closer the relationship.
Exactly. The first big group under a kingdom is called a phylum. It's like having a bunch of different neighborhoods in a city.
And within a phylum, we have classes. This is where things get a little bit more specific, like having different types of houses in a neighborhood.
Moving down the line, we have orders and families. It's like breaking down the neighborhood into streets and houses.
Then we get to the smallest groups like Genesis and species. This is like having individual houses on each street with unique features.
So when we say we belong to the animal kingdom, we mean we're a part of the mammal class, and more specifically, the primate order.
And finally, we are the Homo sapiens, species that are species names like our unique addresses in the big city of life. Now we will be completing an activity for you to be able to answer questions about the information we have covered this far, which is in a quizzes. This presentation will be linked in the description box so you can refer back to it as well as the link that is provided.
You can access the activity by going down to the description box where this presentation will be linked and clicking the activity link. After completing the activity, come back to this video and complete the check for understanding, in which we will be doing now. After having each word from the word bank selected onto the bullet point that you think is the answer, we will now review which ones are correct. The order consists of answer 1 being domain, answer 2 being phylum, answer 3 being family, and answer 4 being species. And now we will do a summary. The classification system is made up of multiple parts in which characteristics, but also the relationships and physical similarities of species. Now that you have went through this lesson, you should be able to properly explain what the classification system is and provide real-life examples. After this video, please click the link that is attached as the Google form and review the video. Thanks for watching.